I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Lohas G25 globe lights. And this is a LED globe light. It's designed for people like me who have this kind of an old school vanity where you have these globe lights. And you can see the traditional incandescent ones, like the ones I have down here, burn out pretty frequently. They also use a lot of power. So this is an incandescent globe light. This is using 40 watts of power and really heats the room up, and it's not super efficient. I don't really like the quality of light, and then also, as you can see, they burn out. So what I've done is to replace those with these. They look almost identical, but these are the Lohas G25 LED globe lights. And these are only 9 watts. So it's basically a quarter of the power consumption of my 40-watt traditional globe light down here. But these are actually even brighter. It's a 60-watt equivalent. So you're getting more light output. You're getting about a quarter of the energy usage. These are a lot cooler. I wouldn't even put my hand near this one. This is putting out a lot less waste heat into my room as well. And I really like the quality of the light on it. It's a 2700 Kelvin bulb, so it's got a nice warm white light to it. And it kind of looks almost like the incandescent light, but I think a lot kind of clearer, better light than you get with a traditional incandescent. And again, you're just getting such better power consumption, savings on your electrical bill, and you're not necessarily heating your room up so much. Otherwise, these look totally equivalent. You'd have no idea when I look at these side by side that this one's incandescent and this one's an LED. The lifespan will be significantly longer too. So I don't have to worry about changing these all the time, wasting the bulbs. This is definitely a much more environmentally friendly option. So if you have one of these old school vanities, mine has a ton of these bulbs on it, so it uses a lot of power when it's running. I would definitely urge you check out the Lohas globe lights, switch them out, your incandescents for LEDs, and you'll be saving some money on electrical, not heating your room up as much, and doing something better for the environment, because you'll get better bulb life, won't get this situation all the time, and you'll be using so much less power too.